How to use Erica AI assistant on Bank of America. Erica is an AI-powered virtual financial assistant available exclusive within the Bank of America mobile banking app, and it allows you to interact by voice, text, or tapping to manage your finances, check balance, and performance as well. So if you want to use Erica, you have to ensure you have a latest version of Bank of America mobile app installed to your device. So to install it, you want to visit the respective app store and install the app from it. As you're done installing the app, next you want to make sure to log in or sign up. After you're logged in to your account, you then need to go ahead and select Erica icon, typically a glowing chat bubble star icon in the app, or use the search bar as well. You can type questions, tap suggested actions, or use the microphone to speak to her directly as well. And that's when you're going to use Erica on Bank of America. So that is the simplest thing you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.